In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boot Windows 10 in safe mode step by step in a way that's easy to understand even if you've never done it before. Safe mode is a special startup option that loads only the most basic parts of Windows. It's very useful when your computer is acting strange, running slow, or having software problems. Let's begin. First, open the Settings menu. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Windows Settings window. Once you're in Settings, look for the option called Update and Security and click on it. This section contains tools related to updates, recovery, and troubleshooting. On the left side of the screen, click on Recovery. Here, you'll see different recovery options for your system. Look for the section called Advanced Startup. Under it, you'll see a button that says Restart Now. Before clicking it, make sure you save any open work because your computer will restart immediately. Click Restart Now. Your computer will reboot and show a blue screen with several options. From this screen, select Troubleshoot. This takes you to tools designed to fix system issues. Next, click on Advanced Options. Then choose Startup Settings. Don't worry if this feels a bit technical, you're doing everything right. Now click Restart Again to access the startup options. After your computer restarts, you'll see a list of startup choices. To enter Basic Safe Mode, press the number 4 or the F4 key on your keyboard. If you need internet access while troubleshooting, press 5 or F5 to enter Safe Mode with networking. Your computer will now start in safe mode and you can begin fixing issues like removing problematic apps or drivers. And that's how to boot Windows 10 in safe mode. Share this video and subscribe for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.